So this woman's story that has gripped the internet turns out to be false or exaggerated or a quote reenactment. Nevertheless, there are many, many people in my comments who are saying my ex-wife did this, my ex's wife did this. So claiming the birth story is probably fake, but the story of a stepmom claiming a child as your own and really being almost delusional about it is real. So, and could happen and does happen. Just look at my comments. So in this woman's story, she said that the stepmom claimed to be the biological mother, that she had gone through a miscarriage, that the father was defending the stepmother and saying she's her mom too, that the stepmom then picked up the child for Mother's Day and said, I'm her mother too, so I'm going to keep her for Mother's Day. And then the original creator said that she went and got a restraining order and a change of custody. If I represented Dad in this situation, I would tell Dad that he's in dangerous territory. Because if Mom gets a restraining order against his wife, his parenting time will be effectively limited because his wife will have to move out or he won't be able to have his daughter for parenting time in his own home. So that is what I would tell Dad. I would tell Dad that you need to get your wife under control and or take her to get mental health treatment if she truly is experiencing delusion and psychosis. Does she need education or does she need mental health treatment? That's one of the first things that Dad, you need to figure out. For Mom, what I would do is gauge the situation. How long has this been going on? How worried are you about your daughter's safety? Do we need to get an order of protection against the stepmom? Do we need to ask for a change in custody? Can we reach out to Dad and let Dad know that he's got to get this under control? Can we make these changes? The words that you use matter. Are you describing someone who is not respecting boundaries? Or are you describing someone in a mental health crisis who could be dangerous? When you go to family court, what you say matters a lot.